Hi, I'm Alex Merrifield with Solved, and today we're going to be answering the question, does integrating Data Cloud with Agentforce require additional setup? So let's jump into it. Now, imagine for a second building a house where the walls are constantly shifting. The roof leaks every time it rains, the doors lead to nowhere. It sounds chaotic. That's exactly what it's like to run a business without a solid data foundation. And Data Cloud is the bedrock that brings stability and order to your business, just like a foundation does for a house. So that's where Data Cloud and Agentforce come in and fit together. Together, they create a powerful platform that brings your data together and empowers your sales team with AI-driven insights. So, does integrating Data Cloud with Agentforce require additional setup? Yes. But Data Cloud overall has to be turned on for Agentforce, and as part of its SKU we're offering when purchased. Now, when we're looking at the SKU, that just means that it's part of the package that's coming in. It means that when you're getting Agentforce, you're getting a certain number of credits that are initially provided, so actual Data Cloud implementation doesn't have to occur, but the audit logs for when Agentforce is going will get stored there, and other features require Data Cloud to function. So from what I've found, implementing Data Cloud and setting up Agentforce will continue to be mostly separate processes. Data Cloud just needs to be set up prior to Agentforce working. So for example, setting up the SDR agent. Now, there are a couple items that are already available: SDR agent, sales coach, service agent. Now, SDR agent, what it specifically says when setting up this, it says Agentforce SDR uses Data Cloud for auditing, feedback, the Einstein Trust Layer, analytics, and Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, which allows it to generate content using documents you specify. To see this in action, here's setup, where we would be able to set up an agent. And looking in here, you'd be able to find that exact phrasing there and all the other different things that are turned on when you need to use an SDR agent. So a lot of different items are coming together to build these powerful tools. Same deal for Sales Coach. Sales Coach uses Data Cloud to host files and support Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So when we're moving into the future, we can expect that we'll be seeing this as a similar item for other agents that become available. Now, I did want to talk about, RAG, RAG, some items that I mentioned with this Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It can be a complicated concept that we'll discuss in other videos on our page. But for a quick overview, Retrieval-Augmented Generation is a technique that supercharges AI language models by giving them access to up-to-date relevant information. So here's how it works. When you ask a question, RAG first searches a specialized database for relevant information. It then feeds this information to the AI model along with your question. So bringing those two together, the AI uses this fresh data to generate a more accurate and current response. So think of RAG as giving the AI a cheat sheet before it answers your question. So this approach helps reduce errors, keeps responses current, allows the AI to tap into specific knowledge bases without needing constant retraining. This is also very powerful since you can bring your own LLM and other really fun tools that come with all of this type of setup. Another thing I wanted to bring into this idea is the data library setup. Another reason Data Cloud is required for Agentforce is the Einstein data library. So with Data Cloud, the data library is where you organize and connect your different data sources, such as knowledge articles, uploaded files, customer data, and more. It's like adding books to your library shelves, making them easily accessible and searchable. Is it required? No. Is it very helpful, and does it ground? Absolutely. So adding data libraries to your features, you're essentially grounding generative AI responses with relevant and up-to-date information. So this will require setup. Once your data is connected to the data library, though, Agentforce can utilize it to generate more accurate and constantly help with more contextually relevant responses. So setting up Data Cloud allows data library. So you're essentially fueling Agentforce with that knowledge it needs to provide exceptional services. It's like giving your AI a powerful toolkit that allows it to deliver more personalized and engaging customer experiences. So we got RAG giving you a cheat sheet. We got libraries giving you a whole library of information for it to give better responses. So going through these, really quick summary here. Data Cloud is like the foundation to your home. And the different parts here, RAG, data library, different components that help furnish this home that help Agentforce perform even better. The transformative power that this is bringing to businesses will be imperative in times to come. I want to encourage you to go watch that video about Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It'll give more details on how that's going to be working with Data Cloud. And also leave a comment. Let's start a conversation and talk about this further. Feel free to drop a like on the video. Also subscribe. We'll continue to be talking about Agentforce and all the different features that are present there, and lots of things are coming. Thanks.